Today was my first time flying at the flying fields, and the first thing I did was a test of the new follow function that was released last Friday. Well, 2 days ago. You can see a little bit of the fields on the other side of the trees that run along the river creek here. I'll show you more of those in the next few days. This is not really going to be good for seeing the fields because the two things I did here today are done by pointing the camera almost straight down. Now the follow function says to get the platform where you want it and then hit follow on the screen. And I will post the actual screen I saw after I post this one. So right here, I knew I had the creek and the trees on my right. To my left is big open fields. And it goes up and the creek turns back to the right as you go up the way the car's facing, and then it's all open fields on both sides. So I got it up above the trees, what I thought was above the trees. And right in here is where I actually hit the follow. And when I hit the follow, the platform rotates around. I've got to go back and find out why that is. So there it is where it rotates around, and then we take off. So I'm inside the car. Pam's driving. Then I see trees kind of close to my platform. So I tell Pam to stop. And the platform, all the yawing around, I think is caused by, and I took the platform up another 50 feet or so and we took off. All the yawing around, I think, is caused by the fact that I've got the gimbal pointed almost straight down when I started the follow. I will go and do some more of these. That's the tree I was worried about. We just went under. I will do more of these, and I'll try to do it with the platform kind of out in the field at a lower level. I was just worried about these trees on our right here. But you can see how the platform's yawing around. Wasn't a hard wind, but there was a little bit of wind. Now right in here, the river's going to turn to the right and move away from us, and there will be big fields on both sides. And I could put the platform down at 20 feet here and off to one side of the car. But you'll see right up here, we get the end of this little stretch of the road. I've got trees on the left. Now, if I was doing a full mission, I might just cut off the follow, switch it over the other side of the road. There's various things might be possible. There you see the trees that would be on my left in that field. So I'll do a few more of these. But again, in my humble opinion, and I don't have any insider information on any of this, the yawing right and left, rotation right and left of the platform is due to just the gimbal being pointed so straight down and being so straight over the car, and it's actually getting GPS information from the cell phone inside the car. It has its own GPS. It compares the two and points the two positions at each other. That's entirely my opinion. I haven't seen the program. I've heard them say it's not image-based follow, it is GPS-based follow. So that's my opinion of what's going on. So I think being right over the top causes that yaw back and forth because of the information it's getting from the GPS in the car. So I'll let this finish, and I'll thank everyone for watching.